Okay, what I have is 2004 Chevy Silverado. What happened was the washer fluid was not flowing out. So I'll show you what I did on the truck, but this right here, this is all moss. You know, that's all really thick moss. What happened was it plugged the pump. So what I did was remove the pump. I'll show you how to do that. This is a little rubber doodad seal. It also had moss all over it. But what I did was this, took it out. There was moss out of here. I pulled the moss out, blew in this end, more moss came out, blew in the other end, the other way. Then I flushed it really good. So now this pump is good. So there's that. There's all the moss, the seal. Let me show you this really quickly. Let me show you this. Well, let's go up top first. What I did was, first of all, I disconnected it at the bottom. I'll show you how to do, well, it's easy enough. But what I did was I disconnected this. There's a small clip down there that this line connects to. Lifted it up so I could pull this, have enough room. Blew in this end, could do that, no blockage. Blew down here, no blockage. So it had to be the pump. So what I did was down here, I didn't remove the reservoir because why? What there is right here, right where my finger is, there's a top tab on the pump. What I did was, after you disconnect the wire, I pulled the pump forward toward the front of the truck and it removed the pressure, and then I used a little screwdriver and just pried the pump out. So that's how that works. So this is the line I disconnected. Where in the hell is it? There it is. Yeah, this is the line I disconnected. Just get a little screwdriver and just kind of pry it off. Try not to damage it. But yeah, this is where the air was blowing through, so there was no blockage here. All that slime came out of here. So there you go. That's how I fix mine. If I put it together and it works, I'll put the video online. But you can see there's a lot of room. You can get your hand up here. There's a whole lot of room. So anyway, just a helpful hint. All right, worked for me. So if this video is online. All right, have a good day.